Jeffrey Harris here, aka Middleman Mentor. Depending on what platform you're on, you already know the drip. And today we back with another credit building video. Actually one that I left out, and I highly recommend you get this card. Like when I talk to people, person to person, one-on-one conversations, I always tell them to get this card along with Capital One. So what we about to do is we about to go to my website, and I'm going to show you exactly why you need this card to build an extra trade line and the benefits of having it. Okay, so let's go over to the website. So as you can see on the website, we got the credit repair business, the recommended cards to build credit, trade lines, business funding, and my YouTube channel. If you're not on my YouTube channel and you're looking at this information from any other platform, make sure you go and subscribe to the YouTube channel, because I'm dropping a lot of juice for you guys. It's going to get better and better each time we drop. But right here, right now, we're going to go to recommended cards to build credit. As you can see, I have over 6 trade lines to help you build credit. So if you ain't been here, get here. Okay, so rental report is going to add 2 years plus a trade line. Then you got self-ink, that's another trade line, and it's a little savings for you. So when you get done doing that, you're actually going to get your money back in a nice little lump. So you saving up for when you want to run another play. You got kickoff. Right now, it's just like getting a $500 credit line, and you paying a few dollars a month, but just on like a subscription. It's like $1, but you're getting a $500 trade line on your report. The one that we're looking at, well, excuse me, before we get to discover it, we're going to go to, I already had the video with the Capital One play, getting the pre-approval for that. If you ain't got that, get your Capital One card. That's if you have all the other ones. Then we got the grain, but right now on Discover It. Okay, on Discover It, secure credit card. No credit score required to apply. Basically, this is a credit building card. Okay, so you want to click right here. Let's see the benefits of it. No annual fee, plus it's a real credit card. Using secure credit card will build a credit history with the 3 major credit bureaus. Generally, prepaid and debit cards can't do that. Refundable deposit. Your secure credit card requires a refundable security deposit. You choose the deposit amount up to credit line approval. Earn 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants on up to $1,000 in purchase each quarter, plus earn unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases automatically. Unlimited cash back match. Only for Discover will automatically match all the cash back you've earned at the end of the first year. There is no limit to how much will match. FICO credit score for free. Easily viewed your FICO credit score on monthly statements, mobile and online for free. All right, so that's the perks of having a credit card. Basically, when you spending your own money in your own debit card, think about these things right here. When you have $500 and you spend $500, that $500 is gone until you save it back up. You put $300 on this debit card, on this credit card right here, this secure card. You know, like I recommend people daily spends, things that you daily going to spend your money on: gas, getting gas, put a cell phone bill up there, things that you know you're going to use on a monthly basis, daily basis, but you know that you're going to pay these things off anyway. Use your credit card. So at the end of your, and I got another video coming for that, at your due date, but really at your report date, that your card is always paid off. Because when we start here, when they increase your limits, it's going to go unsecured. As they told you, you get your 300, 500, how much you want to put down. I recommend 300. You're going to get that money back, and then it's going to be an unsecured card. Unsecured card with unsecured money. Then you're going to be able to run the next play that I want to demonstrate to you guys. But this right here is a way to get an extra trade line to build your credit. You know, I'm not going to hold you long on this video right here, but this is another trade line that I recommend you add into your trade line as you're building your credit. So if you're going through my course, right, you're going through the course and you're disputing old inquiries and you're taking things off. So you're taking trade lines off, you're taking bad trade lines off, right? To build your report back up, you must put positive trade lines back on. So this is a good way to rebuild your report as you're taking things off. Okay, you're going to damage your history a little bit, but we got trade lines to give you history right back. But you know, you want to make sure you're building, and while you're restructuring, you're building your credit report up with positive trade lines while you're taking old ones off. All right, so you know, we discovered it by discovering it. Get that? That was a good one. No, whatever. I already know how the internet is. Leave that in the comments if y'all like that joke anyway. Let me start engaging with you guys a little bit more. I see the page is increasing, so we're gonna definitely keep dropping more content for you guys. And at the moment, you know, everything is going good with the the course. A lot of people are getting the job done. They're learning what they need to learn. They're getting the information. If you're interested in joining the DIY credit repair course, the link is going to be in the description so you can get started or get more information. You can reach out to me personally on my social media, which will be in the description, to get more information and talk to me, and see exactly where you at, what you want to do. We can get on the phone, have a consultation call. You just let me know what you want to do, and I'm here to help you. Until the next video, it's Middleman with Jeffrey Harrell, aka Middleman Mentor, and with GT Approved, and I'm out.